Good morning, you guys. So I posted this on Instagram and I had so many people DM me, so I thought I would slow it down and put it on YouTube about how I cover my dark circles. Now, the most important part of this is using a really good moisturizer. So today I'm using the First Aid Beauty Niacinamide brightening under eye, and I find that the more moisture that you get with a little bit of brightness is really going to help. So you guys, please prep your eyes first. Today I'm going to be using a color corrector, and that's just an extra step to make my eyes even more bright. I'm using Dermaflage, but really you guys can use anything you want as long as it's a nice peach color corrector. I'm going to put that on immediately after my eye cream, and this is really going to help brighten up the eyes because I do have a lot of dark pigment just naturally, culturally under my eyes. I've always had this. Now today I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore concealer, and it is L'Oreal Infallible. This stuff, it has a lot of pigment, it's really thick and creamy, so you just need a little bit. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how I do this technique where I really focus the majority of the product in the inner corner of the eyes and then on the outer corner of the eyes. Now, I personally like to use a brush and let my foundation and my concealer kind of sit in my skin for a couple of minutes before I start blending it out. So these brushes I actually purchased on Amazon. They're so cheap. I'll put my link to my Amazon store here. I really love them. They work really well. And I'm just slowly taking my time patting out this concealer underneath my eyes. So you want to take your time. If you guys want a good concealer, get rid of those dark spots, the dark under eyes. You know, you just want to take your time blending. Also, if you guys want to talk about puffy eyes, that's a whole different situation. I will be happy to do a video on that, or I can answer your questions below in the description and the comment section underneath this video. So as you can see, I'm really focusing the majority of the product on the inner corner of the eyes by the nose, because that discolorization right there makes you look really tired. And then I'm going to sweep on the outer corner and sweep up, and what that's going to do is give me an uplifted look to my eye. And then on the bottom, where the bottom of the concealer meets your blush, bronzer, or whatever, I like to take a wet beauty sponge, beauty blender, whatever you have. I don't know if I show it here in this video, and kind of just like blend that out. So there's no difference of there, I'm showing you right there, between the concealer and the rest of your skin, foundation, blush, or bronzer. So you always want to blend, 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 and I recommend a damp beauty blender. If you don't have a damp beauty sponge, please get one. So today I'm going to set my eyes like I always do, but I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder, their translucent setting powder. They also have an amazing brightening powder, but any finely milled powder, you guys have to set your concealer. Now, me personally, if I do not set my concealer, it is going to crease, it's going to crack, it's going to get all over the place. A lot of you guys are like, we can't use setting powder, it looks really dry, but because this whole process I'm doing is a little bit different, as you can see, really taking my time, it will work. This is the key. An Aglow setting spray or any glowy setting mist at the end is going to make the difference. Lock it in all day. You guys, your under eyes are going to look amazing. You're going to get to say goodbye to under eye and dark circles forever. Please, if you have any questions, put them below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See ya. Bye.